Alright, law 8. We have law 8. It's called equating, the power. Alright, equating the power law. Equating the power law. Alright, you are surprised. Now if a raised power m equals to a raised power n, if a raised power m equals to a raised power n, definitely m equals to n. Why? Anytime you have equals to sign separating two equal bases, then you equate the power. I repeat, anytime you have equals to sign separating two same bases, you equate the power. You do get? Let's take few examples, our revision examples. Revision questions. All right, let's assume you are given 2x equals to 125, or as another point given, it could be given, let's say 144x, say equals to 12. All right, the second example, or a final example could be, say you are given 3x minus 1, all right, say equals to 81. And we could try a final example which will be very needful for you. As 3 multiplied by 9, 1 plus, say, y. Then if this is equal to another expression like this, and you are asked to solve for y, the difference between this example and the previous ones is that this is an equation. Anytime equals to is in an expression in terms of an equation. So let's see solutions. Here you have 5 raised power 2x equals to 125. Follow me. Now 125. You think of how you can express this as an equal base with this. And here 5 raised power 2x becomes 125 can be expressed as 5 raised power 3, because 5 times 5 times 5 gives you 125. This is 5 raised power 3. Now the law 8, equating the power. When the base are the same, you equate the power. So we have an equal base here. Don't cancel it. Some students are used to cancelling this. Don't interrupt it. Just leave it and bring down your power. 2x equals to 3. Did you see? As simple as that. All you do is to then divide both sides by the coefficient of x. You divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And what's the coefficient of x here? It is 2. Alright? So we have 2x divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. Here, cancelled, you have x, you have 3 over 2, which could also be 1 over 1 over 2. Alright, a simple equation to solve. Let's attempt the second one, which is 144 raised power of x equals 12. Here, we are coming to a similar question. What do? Express this as an equal base with this. And here you have 12 raised power of 2. But you consider that there is an x here, a power. So join it, x, 2x. It were 3x. Alright, so multiply it, it's 12. 12 here is the same as 12 raised power of 1. So here you have equal base equals the power. Equal base equals the power. Then you have 2x equals to 1. What do? You divide both sides by the coefficient of x. You get it? Alright. And that's divided by 2 divided by 2. Here you have x equals to 1 over 2. Did you get this example? Did you get it? Yes. The question 3. You have 3x minus 1 equals to 81. 3 raised power x minus 1 equals to 81. No fidgeting. Alright, this is 3x. Look for a power of 3. 81 to the power of 3, that's 3 raised to the power of 4. So move this here back, that's 3 raised to the power of 4. Yeah, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 gives us 81, right? So since the base are the same, equates the power, alright? So here we can say x minus 1 equals to 4. Remember, do not cancel, just leave it like that. Okay, therefore, collect like terms, x equals to 4. This comes here to become plus 1, and that's s equals to 5. Then the very last exercise, an interesting one, 3 multiplied by 9, 1 plus y equals to 27. Don't be scared when you see long questions as this. As long as they have just one answer. Okay, so let's move on. 3 multiplied by multiplication, what comes to your mind? Addition law. Alright, so 3 raised to the power of 2 expresses 3 raised to the power of 2 into bracket 1 plus y. Did you see what I did? 9, 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. Alright, equals to 27, 3 raised to the power of 3. Good. 3 raised to the power of 3 into bracket minus y. Now we are combining 2, 3 laws together. Okay, you can relate now better. Here we have 3 multiplied by 3, open the bracket, 2 by 1, 2, 2 by y, 2y, okay, equals to 3. 3 multiplied by minus y plus invisible plus times minus, minus 3y. Right. At this stage, don't mistake any of this. Don't put one for another. You do not say equates the base here, simply because there is a multiplication sign here, so you can use subtraction law first, addition law first. And what do we say? We say 3 is the same thing as raised to the power 1, okay? Raised to the power 1 plus, remember, multiplication changed to plus 2, can open the bracket, plus 2y, okay, equals to 3 raised to the power minus 3y. Remember, do not remove the bases now. Okay, so that's 3, 1 plus 2, open the bracket, plus times plus, plus, alright, and 2y. Be careful here, you must put a bracket sign, because if this were to be a minus sign, it will affect the sign. Okay, so don't say why the use of the bracket, it is necessary. Okay, and 3 raised to the power of minus 3y. Shall we simplify this further? Right. 3, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 2y equals 3 minus 3y. Okay, now we have got to that stage where we equate the base, equate the power when the base are the same. So now you don't need to cancel, remember, just equate, bring down the power. Because of this equal sign, becomes 3 plus 2y equals minus 3y. Dear learner, collect like terms. Thank you. Let's take it up. Okay, I repeat, 3 plus 2y equals minus 3y. Okay, so collect like terms. Let this come here and let this go here. So this 2y, this comes here to become positive 3y equals to minus 3. Did you get that? 2y plus 3y, that's 5y equals to minus 3. Then what do? You divide both sides, alright, by the coefficient of y. Okay, and you have 5, divide 5 here, you have y equals to minus 3y. Okay, it's just an iteration process. Just list them a step at a time, and you get your answer. Okay, so that leads us to the end of the 8th law of indices. Let's move on to the 9th law.